Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the BCA activity. Activity number 1, currency notes and coins. See, children, today we are going to learn about the currencies of the international countries. See, which are these countries we are going to learn today? India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Dubai, and Bhutan. India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Dubai, and Bhutan. Okay, see, children, these are the notes of the Nepal country. Which country? Which country? Nepal. Which country it is? Nepal. Notes of the Nepal countries. If you can see, there are animals printed in the notes. Have you seen? Can you see these notes? Are you able to see? Yes, very good. So these are the notes of the Nepal countries. Which countries? Nepal countries. Okay. What we called the currency of the Nepal is rupee. Nepalese rupee. What we called Nepalese rupee. Okay. Now, Dubai. See, children, these are the notes of the Dubai country. Which country? Dubai country. What it is called? A Emirates dirham. Emirates dirham. What it is called? Emirates dirham. What it is called? Emirates dirham. Okay. Now, this, if you can see, these are the notes of the Sri Lankan rupees. Sri Lankan rupees. Sri Lankan rupees. It's also called rupees. India also called Indian rupees. Nepal also is called in Nepalese rupees, and Sri Lankan rupees. It's also called a Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, understood, dear? See, these are the coins of the Sri Lanka. Coins of the Sri Lanka. See, if you can see, you can see. Can you see? Yes. These are the coins of the Sri Lanka. Okay. See, children. Now here. This note. Is this, which note is this? Can you recognize it? Which note is this? Yes, Arnav Bhosle. Indian rupees. Very good. Indian rupees. Okay. What is which currency is this? How much rupees is this?
200.
200 rupees. Very nice. 200 rupees. This?
200.
How much is this?
100.
100. Very nice. Very good. 100 rupees. Very good. See, I will give you a short introduction of all the currencies. First, we'll start with the Bhutan. Bhutan, it's called, the currency of the Bhutan is called Ngiltram, the kingdom of the Bhutan. It is subdivided into 100 chiefdoms. The Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan is the minting authority of the Ngiltram banknotes. Okay, and the coin code is BTN. BTN. Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan rupee. Sri Lankan rupee. The currency of Sri Lanka divided into 100 cent. What it is? Divided into 100 cent, and the symbol is generally used, but the currency code is LKR. 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 Nepal currency is the official of Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, and it is called as Nepalese rupee. Nepalese rupee, and it is NPR. What it is called? NPR. For Dubai, the United Arab Emirates dirham. What it is called? Emirates dirham, also known as Emirates dirham. The term dirham is officially adverted AED. AED. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can we do one
Miss.
activity?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
miss.
Yes. Very good, children. See, children, can you see this board? We are going to
Yes, ma'am.
match this board. What we are going to do? Match the following. Indian. What it is? Indian?
Indian rupees.
Indian rupees. Very nice. Dubai?
Emirates. Emirates.
Yes, very good. Very nice. Dirham. Yes. Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka? Rupees. Very good. Nepal?
Rupee.
Nepali rupees. Very nice. Bhutan? Bhutanese.
Nepalese.
Yes. Very good, children. Bhutan, Bhutanese. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Whose photo is there in this currency? Whose photo you can see in this currency? Yes. Paras. Whose photo is this? Yes. See, children. Okay, now tell me, which currency is this?
India.
20 rupees. Indian currency, 20 rupees. Yes, very good. You can see there in the Indian currency, what is this? Can you see? What is this?
Indian 20 rupees.
Yes, but what is this? This symbol.
National emblem.
National emblem. Very good boy. Very good girl. Very nice. Very good students. What it is? National emblem. Yes, this symbol is there for national emblem. And what is written on the up?
National emblem.
Whose Reserve Bank of India? What it is written? Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Understood everyone? In Indian currency, you can see photo of Mahatma Gandhi ji, national emblem symbol. Indian currency is the symbol of Indian currency. Yes. Understood? Very good.
Indian
Yes, 200 rupees note was that. These are the coins of which country? Can you see? Which country coins is this?
India.
India. Very good. Very good. It is the coin of India. Okay. Okay. Swara Pawar, tell me, which notes are this?
Nepal.
Nepal. Very good. And what you call for the Nepal currency? What do you call for the
rupee.
Yes,
Rupiah.
Nepalese rupee.
rupee.
Nepalese rupee. And Dubai. Dubai. What do you call for the Dubai rupee currency? Sorry, what do you call for Dubai currency?
Emirates dirham.
Emirates dirham. Very nice. Very good, children. Emirates dirham. See, these are the Dubai coins. These are the Dubai coins. What is this? These are the Dubai coins. Okay, very nice. Now, which country notes are this? Yes. Ishwari Dhumar, which country notes is this?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, very good girl. And what do you call Sri Lanka currency?
Lanka rupee.
Sri Lankan rupees. Very nice, very good. Sri Lanka rupees. Very good. These are the coins of Sri Lanka. These are the coins of Sri Lanka. Understood, everyone?
Sri Lanka.
Yes, everyone understood?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Miss.
And what you call for the Bhutan? Bhutan currency? What do you call Bhutan currency?
Bhutanese.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very good, children. Very nice.